Lost your Toyota key fob and dreading the dealer's sky-high prices? What if you could get a genuine Toyota replacement, fully functional, for a fraction of the cost, and have it ready to use in just minutes? That's exactly what this OEM Toyota key fob offers. Authentic quality without the dealer markup. Here's the story. A Toyota Highlander owner faced a $135 charge for a new clicker plus an additional $98 just for installation at the dealership. Instead of paying over $230, they found this genuine Toyota OEM key fob online. It arrived in just 2 business days with straightforward instructions that took less than 3 minutes to complete. The process was simple: opening and closing doors, inserting the key into the ignition, no complicated programming or expensive service visits required. The key fob itself showed some light wear from previous use, but it worked flawlessly, proving that you don't have to pay top dollar for new functionality. What you get is a genuine Toyota part, quality assured, that fits perfectly and operates just like the original. If that's you, looking for a reliable, cost-effective solution, this key fob replacement is worth a look. Skip the dealer's overpriced fees and get back on the road quickly. This OEM Toyota key fob delivers genuine quality, fast shipping, and easy installation without the hassle. Try it when you're ready and see how much you can save.